Hi everyone, my name is Jose Camilo Torres Domingue. I'm 23 years old. I am engineer industrial student. So, in this course, I am going to explain a concept map about the topic shoes. The topic I chose was lack information on product cost. This is a fact that that is present in a lot of problems in many companies. It presents in the information system that allow register, analyze and control report of cost, production or administration. This fact prevents effective pricing strategies. It prevents knowing the most profitable activities, does not measure and embrace efficiency. It hinders innovation and investment. So that's it. See you soon.